Well, here I'll play a little Slow Air again. This is a tune I don't even know the name of it. Maybe Seamus could tell me afterwards. But this is a tune I picked up when I was a kid. There was a guy in Sligo. His name is Philip Duffy, and he's still around playing the fiddle somewhere in Ireland. But I picked up a little cassette when I was over there one time, and this air was on it. And this fellow Philip Duffy is from whom I learned it on that cassette, probably easily 25 years ago at this point. So here's a little Slow Air. Sorry I couldn't tell you more about it, but it's a nice little tune that I've never quite forgotten how to play. It's one of those that sticks with you. Nice tune.